Alright mga dude pare, so we're here now at a secret location where we are invited by BYD Philippines to do a very quick unboxing video of the all-new BYD Atto2 DMi Premium. So, without further ado, let's do this! Alright mga dude pare, so what we have here is the BYD Atto2 DMi Premium, which is the top-spec DMi trim of the local Atto2 lineup. Now I said it's a top-spec DMi trim because we still have the Atto2 full EV, which acts as the top trim for the Atto2 lineup in the Philippines. Now we have below this the BYD Atto2 Advance, which acts as the base trim. Now in terms of the pricing of the Atto2 DMi Premium, we still don't have the actual pricing when I made this video, but indicatively BYD Philippines is looking at around 1,250,000 Philippine pesos, and that, my friends, will be finalized when the Atto2 finally launches here in the Philippines on July 28th. So I'm shooting this before that date. Now, the Atto2 DMi is the plug-in hybrid electric vehicle version of the Atto2 EV, which means that yes, we have a gasoline engine here and we also have an electric motor. Now, let's dive into what this vehicle has to offer. But before that, guys, I invite you all to click that subscribe button and click that notification bell as well. So, let's go into what the Atto2 DMi Premium can offer to us. Alright, so let's start off with the front fascia design of the BYD Atto2 DMi Premium. As you can see, it has the same design language that can be found amongst all the local BYDs, which means that we have a really sleek looking front fascia. We have full LED lighting units here, and when you look at the front grille, it's not really a grille because it is a solid design there with the BYD logo, making it look like a full EV. However, because this also has a gasoline engine, we do have some openings here at the lower part of the front bumper that houses your radiator to help cool down that gasoline engine. Now, as you can see from this portion, you'll see that it is a subcompact crossover and it is the same, around the same in size as, let's say, the Toyota Raize. Now, at this point, let's go over to the side and see what sort of battery technology and charging technology we can get from the BYD Atto2 DMi Premium. Alright, so here on the side, you will appreciate more the overall dimensions and the size of this BYD Atto2 DMi Premium. You can see that it is ideal for city driving because of its small form factor. Now, this premium variant gets 17-inch alloy wheels here. If you go up to the full EV Atto2, you will expect to get smaller 16-inch alloys, mainly for extending the range. Now, speaking of range, we have the charge port right here on the front fender on the passenger side, and we have a Type 2 AC charge port, which you can recharge from 10% to 100% in as quick as 2 hours if you are using a 3 kilowatt-hour charging station. Now, aside from the wheels, 17-inch, we do have four-wheel disc brakes here. Yes, and we also have some really rugged-looking plastic designs here on the lower part of your doors. Now, as far as the battery pack is concerned, we do have a 7.9 kilowatt-hour LFP battery pack in this Atto2 DMi, which explains why it charges really fast when compared to the EV. And when it comes to the ground clearance, we have 160 millimeters worth of ground clearance here. Now, let's go under the hood and see what kind of power figures we can expect from the Atto2 DMi Premium. Alright, so under the hood of the Atto2 DMi Premium, we get a 1.5-liter naturally aspirated gasoline engine here that is paired with an electric motor. Now, the combined output is 165 PS and 300 Newton meters of maximum torque. Now, we also have an ECVT transmission here that sends the power to the front wheels. Now, in terms of the range of the Atto2 DMi Premium, you can expect around 45 kilometers worth of pure EV range and around 1,045 kilometers worth of combined range when you include this gasoline engine here. So yes, despite being such a small vehicle, you can expect to really get a lot of mileage per fill-up that you do with your Atto2 DMi Premium. But then if you're just traveling for less than 45 kilometers every day and you have the ability to recharge the battery pack, well, you wouldn't be consuming a single drop of gasoline when you're using the BYD Atto2 DMi Premium. So let's go over to the inside of the car and see what we can expect. Alright, now let's head inside the BYD Atto2 DMi Premium, but before we look at the cockpit, the first thing I notice here is that the side mirror gets an NFC logo there, which means that we have an NFC card for the Atto2 that can help you lock or unlock your vehicle, which is pretty convenient. Now heading inside, first thing I notice is we get fabric seats here despite being the top trim for the DMi variants of the Atto2 in the Philippines. This is the same as the one found in the Advanced, but the premium trim, what we have here is, it has a sportier design for the seats. We got like semi-buckets here, so that's pretty good news. Now, I also noticed that our steering wheel is not leather wrapped. This is just a urethane steering wheel, a bit of a bummer there. Although, bit of good news, the door cards come with these soft touch stitch leather material on the high traffic areas, or pretty much where you put your elbow. Now let's head inside, and upon entering the driver's seat, first thing that you'll see is that we get a 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system here that comes with wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, and the image of a 360-degree view camera. That's because this Atto2 DMi Premium comes with DI Pilot, which is BYD's advanced driver assist systems. That means that we get adaptive cruise control here, we've got forward collision alert, we've got emergency braking and whatnot. Now, if you check out the digital panel here, we got an 8-inch instrument panel, pretty much par for the course there. And I did notice that our shifter can be found right here behind the steering wheel, which pretty much frees up the area here in your center tunnel. However, though, since the shifter is found here, I don't know if you noticed, but we're missing a headlight stalk. See, we have a stalk here for your wiper, all right? But we don't have a stalk for your headlight, which means that if you want to turn on your headlights, you'll have to go into your infotainment system. This infotainment system there, I have it already. Like if you go in home, you go to the settings, that's the first thing that you will see in the exterior, headlight control there. So you can turn on your headlights using the infotainment system. So a bit of a learning curve, but at least you could still manually control your headlights. Now, I kind of expected to get a wireless charge pad here, but we don't have that. So we just have the AC vents there and a couple of cup holders here, and we have some physical buttons and switches here. You got the engine start stop button there in the middle. You got your hazard lights, EV and HEV button, volume knob, and of course we have the drive mode button because we do have drive modes here. Let's see. There you go. So you got eco, normal, sport, snow, and back to eco, right? So those are the drive modes of your BYD Atto2 DMi Premium. Now, what else? We don't have a sunroof here, as you can see. We also don't have like anything like ambient lighting and whatnot. We just have some pretty smooth yet a bit bare for a BYD in terms of the dashboard, in terms of the other cabin materials found there. So yeah, it looks like it's gonna be pretty easy to drive, but now let's head over to the rear end, see what kind of space we can expect from the cargo area. So over here at the rear end, if we have the charge port up front in the front fender, here at the rear fender, we also have the gasoline cap there. Now, as you can see, the LED taillight units are lit up, and I love the design of this. I mean, this looks so premium, looks pretty expensive, mga dude pare. I love that. And we also have that LED light strip right down in the center. Now, when you pop open this trunk, you'll see that we have a manual liftgate there, not really a big deal for me. And here inside, we get space for 433 liters of cargo capacity, which, based on my visual estimates, can accommodate a medium-sized luggage or even a large tanker luggage. Now, if you're carrying more stuff than this, you can split fold the back seats, 60-40, no problemo. Now, underneath the floorboard, we have more space here for items that you want to hide from prying eyes, but as you can see, we don't have a spare tire in this Atto2 DMi Premium. Pretty much par for the course for a plug-in hybrid electric vehicle. So, mga dude pare, that's just about it for the BYD Atto2 DMi Premium. If you want to see the full driving review video of this vehicle, which is coming very soon, please click that subscribe button And yeah, I will see you when I get the chance to do a full driving review video of the BYD Atto2 DMi Premium. Bye-bye!